Namaskar and welcome to Multiprint. In this video, we try to show you four different types of paper available for visiting cards printing. So there are basically only four types of visiting cards for the paper are available in the market, including non-tearable. It's not exactly a paper, we can say it's a non-tearable plastic paper. Then there is 250 GSM art paper. Then there is 350 GSM art card, and then there is ivory 350 GSM. We also call it as visiting card 350 GSM. So let's go and see how the thickness is and how each variety looks like. All the paper is printed with the same machine, so there is no issue with the printing quality as such, even if we use different types of paper. So it undergoes through the same printing process and same printing machine, and after the post press also the lamination and spot is also done via same machinery. So there is absolutely no deviation in the printing quality for any kind of paper. The only difference we can see is it is the difference we see because of the paper texture. So this is the four different cards I am holding in my hand. So here you can see clearly, see this is VCNT, means visiting card non-tearing. This is visiting card 250 GSM, this is art card 350, and this is visiting card 350 GSM. So if we take a closer look at the thickness, so we can very well understand that the non-tearable cards are 180 micron and those are the least possible thickness. सबसे ज़्यादा पतला होता है ये कार्ड. नॉन टेरेबल कार्ड हे सगळ्यात पातळ असतं, कारण खिशात ती सगळ्यात जास्त कार्ड तुमच्या बसू शकतात. एका वेळेला तुम्हाला 50-100 कार्ड्स घेऊन जायला काही प्रॉब्लेम येत नाही. त्यानंतर येते व्हिजिटिंग कार्ड्स 250 GSM. हे जे मी आत्ता हातात बोटात पकडलेलं आहे ते व्हिजिटिंग कार्ड 250 GSM. दिस इज 250 GSM व्हिजिटिंग कार्ड्स. Then there comes art card 350 GSM. See, this is art card 350 GSM. So this is almost double the stack of visiting card 250 GSM. And this is visiting card 350, which is the thickest amongst the all. So it is very stiff card. And to tell you, this is a bunch of 10 cards of each variety. So this is 350 GSM 10 cards, this is art card 350 GSM 10 cards, then again this is 10 cards for 250 GSM, and this is again non-tearable 10 cards. So if we consider a bunch of 10 cards from each variety of papers, this is what the thickness you get. So the thickest one is visiting card 350 GSM. And this is how visiting card non-tearable looks like. So there is a spot UV done for the logo and the name of my firm. So this is how it glitters slightly. It's a super glossy effect we put on the cards. Then there is visiting card 250 GSM. So after printing on 250 GSM art paper, so we do a lamination, gloss lamination to the both side of the card. So this is how it looks. So this is the other side of the card. So since all the glossy lamination has been done on top of the printing, so this is how it looks. हे व्हिजिटिंग कार्ड 250 GSM आहे. हे प्रिंटिंग केल्यानंतर ह्याला लॅमिनेशन केलं जातं, दोन्ही बाजूंनी ग्लॉस लॅमिनेशन केलं जातं. त्याच्यामुळे त्याला एक अशा प्रकारची संपूर्ण कार्डावरती चमक येते. त्याच्यानंतर आर्ट कार्ड 350 GSM, याला प्रिंटिंग मॅट लॅमिनेशन केलेलं आहे. This is with printing and matte lamination. Also the spot UV has been done for the logo and the name of the company. So this also we can have both side printing. So it's a matte lamination, and you can see the quality of reverse printing and the QR code also just came in very nice and sharp. So this is Art Card 350 GSM. And finally, the best of the best is this. This is visiting card 350 GSM, one of the thickest papers possible for printing. So this has been also 4-color printing along with a matte lamination and spot UV on top of it. You can see the glazing of spot UV. It's super gloss effect, and if we slide our fingers onto it, we feel it's a slightly raised printing because of the spot UV treatment. So this is also both side printing. So this is visiting card 350 GSM. This is an ivory paper, so it has got a very nice natural shade in this whitish paper. So if we compare it again, so this visiting card 350 and this is art card 350. If we go and see, so this is how the thickness variation is. Both are 10 cards. This is also 10 cards. This is also 10 cards. This is art card 350, visiting card 250 GSM and visiting card 350 GSM, and if we look from the sideways, so this is how the difference is in the thickness of the paper. So, I hope this video helps in deciding you to which variety to go for, and please write to us and come, or maybe you can just simply call or WhatsApp to this number. That's 95886 32793. I am Mandar and I have made this video for my firm Multiprint, and we are in the business since 1998. It's almost 20 years we are in this business. So thank you for watching my video patiently, and we are looking forward to hear from you soon. Thank you once again.